Today class is about profile. Alignment is basically the center of the road. We are always it's presenting the center of the road, and profile is for the showing of the surface, how the surface from the start to the end, how it's going. So for that purpose we draw profile. So today class is about how to draw profile. Let's make a center line. Suppose this is the center line of our road. Same like previous method, we will create alignment from polyline. I will give name to my road alignment. Same like previous thing setting is okay. Now this is the center line of the road. From the top view we don't know which area is up or down, so for that purpose we draw a profile to know about the surface. So you can create surface profile from here. If you click on the alignment, you can create R from the main menu here, profile, and then create surface profile. Click on the create surface profile, and then the alignment name is there. How many alignments inside your drawing, it will appear here. If you don't know the name of your alignment, then you from here from select from the drawing the green block, you can select your alignment. Station range, you can the alignment, it's showing the alignment total length is starting from 0 to 992.43. To simple mean, you can draw with the range of the station if you want, but now we will draw for the whole alignment. Here you must select the surface, because it will draw the profile of surface, so you must select a surface. If you have many surfaces, then from the green block you can select. Click from here, you also know the name of your surface, or click here on the surface and then click add, and it will add to profile list. When it added to profile list, now you can see the detail of the alignment. Its style is extend the maximum, minimum elevation and length. From here you can select the profile style. I already select the existing style, so in the minimum maximum elevation, click on the draw and profile view. For the general settings, this is the name of the alignment. You can give the name to your profile. It will show above the profile, and you can write description here, the profile style you want. Generally I am using this style, so I will use this, or you can create your own profile style. You can check from here. Okay, if you want to show offset profile by vertical stacking profile view, from this option you can show the offset uh, profile. The station range, automatically it is selected, or you can select the range of station for which you want to draw a profile. Okay, uh, and the next uh, profile view height, one is for the length, one is for the height. The elevation, automatically it will create between the minimum and the maximum elevation, or you can user specified, you can split the profile. As you can see down in the picture, it will split your profile in different ranges. Okay, in the profile display option there is a option, it's showing you how your profile will be, like this style existent existing style is for that one. And the dynamic mode, the maximum elevation. Now from here you can select the band. The band is below the profile, where we write the NGL, PGL, station, super elevation. That's label. So that's are called the band. There is a location for the band. You can select the band style from here. There are many band style. You can select one of them, and you can create your own also. And you have option to put the band above or below the profile. So we always put at the bottom of the profile, so we will select at the bottom. If you want to hatch the cut and fill area, you can hatch from here. Click anywhere outside, and now you can see the road A center line profile. uh, Now this the, if you see, it's NGL showing the natural ground level, the surface name. And from here you can see the bend, the existing ground. This is the level of the existing ground. As we did not create PGL, so and the both finished ground also the same level. When we will create, then we will change the level of the PGL finished ground band. There is a station vertical geometry. This vertical geometry is for the design. So when we will create design, horizontal geometry is for the alignment. It's showing where is curve, where is straight line. So if have, I will show you in dividing the screen by in horizontal two parts. So now you can see it's the up to 393, it's a straight portion. So you can see the length, and it's showing from here where your curve starting, same, and where is ending. It's showing the exact station. It's the length of the curve and the radius of the curve, you can see from here. And then the length of tangent, the straight line from the end of the curve to the end of the profile. This super elevation, we still we did not calculate it, so when we calculate it, it will appear here. Okay, now if you make the this profile is dynamic mean if you will make changes to your profile dynamically, it will change here your surface. Okay, will delete the polyline. When you make changes to your alignment, it's directly changes in the profile view. Suppose if I will change the location of the center line, it will automatically change in the profile. If you adjust your profile, automatically the in the profile the changes will directly occur. So uh, this is the good thing about Civil 3D. You don't need to delete like AutoCAD again and increase stationary like it is dynamical. Dynamic you can add, when you adjust your alignment dynamically, it will adjust it automatically. It changes the length. You can see below, as you change the start point and the end point, the profile automatically change. If I increase the length of the profile, also increases now. So like this, uh, we can create the profile. From profile, now you know that which area is up and which area is down. So for that purpose, we create profile. Inshallah, tomorrow uh, we will create alignment. We create profile of existing surface. Suppose this is our alignment and this is our surface. So we create surface profile like this for the existing surface. The existing surface is look like this up and down because this is natural ground. So now today we will create design profile, which is also known as the road uh, profile, road top. Suppose this is natural ground, and we will draw now the design road design profile. So let's start from two places. You can take start. First click here and then profile creation tool here, or from the home tab profile, the next option profile creation tool, and then in asking for profile view, click anywhere here and this dialog box will appear. From here change your name of profile. So I will write here road design profile. From here you must select the different from the existing surface profile. So for existing surface profile, existing ground profile, I will select the design profile. This is the layer. You can change the layer. And the last one, label the vertical curve data like grade. This will appear here. So no label, if you don't need, select no label. From here you can see the line, grade, seg and cross data here. We will discuss this later one by one. So now I will click OK, and after click OK, this dialog box will appear. In this dialog box there are many options like alignment. This one by one we will discuss. So from the start, it's the first option is draw tangent. Draw tangent mean you will draw a straight line. Then after that you will insert PVI from here. PVI is point of vertical intersection. Suppose your road will go here, so there must be a curve between these point, not a corner like. And from here you can delete your PVI, and from here you can move. This the line. From here you can add line or tangent grade line. There is option for your design, and from here you can put curve. This floating vertical curve, there are many types you can put. And from here there is convert autodesk line to spline, and this one is insert PVI tabular form. This one, there are different type. We will discuss one by one. Same like alignment, here there is profile grid view. From here you can adjust what you draw here, because we draw nothing, so it's empty now, but later you will check here. From the first option draw tangent, I will start draw tangent. Sometime we are making like this, clicking on the the first point and clicking on the end point here, and then click enter, press enter, So it's now if you can see, this is a straight line. It's a straight line, and the road is not like this because there is much cutting. If you can see our natural ground here, natural ground is too much high, and we must design like a road like there, the quantity of the cut and fill is almost the same, so we'll not take borrow from outside any filling material. So let's uh, make there is some insert some PVI to make this design looking good. From here option, from this time option insert PVI, I will click here, and where suppose this point there is much cutting, so I will click here, and my design level, as I click the design level goes up. In this area there is also much cutting, so I will put here. In this area the road is will connect to this area, so I will put here one PVI, so there will be little cutting, and this area there will be filling. So if you can see now the line, it's showing that there is PVIs. PVI, the grade brake station, because the grade was looking before there was one grade, now it's divided. Now you can see it's 5.64, and after that it's 8.02, same like here. So that is why it is a grade brake station here. So now this point we will change to Karo, because there must be a smooth road, not like here, not like here, this how it is looking like jump. So what will I do? From here I will add a Karo. There are many kinds, you will you may try, or we will practice one by one even, but now first I will add this one, this pre-vertical curve parabola or circular. I can use one. I will try on the first one. It's asking for the first entity. First entity, the grade in inner with what is going to, the first one is inside and outside, like it is going inside from this side, so the first entity is this. Then the second one is the going outside. Then from here it's asking the curve length. The curve length, if it is radius, then you must select the curve length, because we the curve radius you don't know, because this very uh, uh, like 1000 to 6000 like this, so you must put the curve length. Suppose I will, by default here is 150, I will put 170 or 150, it is okay. Then it's asking there is any other, I will put on the other also, but then after press enter, and now after enter you can see it's showing like this this vertical curve start from this station, beginning of vertical curve. This is the elevation, and this station beginning of vertical curve station, and this is elevation. This is the data, lowest point station and the lowest point elevation, PVI station, PVI elevation, K value, and the length of vertical curve. K value is from the distance from where is PVI to the design. Okay, the other one here we will also insert a curve, same like, or we will try up to the circular. So I will click the first one, the second one, and then it's asking for the length. If I select the radius you must give like if I give 2000, you can see now it's good. And now the it's depend on the radius. Now you can see the length of the vertical is 340. So for this area it's now looking good. Now this road is looking smooth. If I before, same like here the PVI point. Now for this point I will create again from the here, but what will I do? I will select the first one and the next one, and I will select the length. The length I will give 100 of length of vertical curve, and then press enter. So now if I see this this road is the grade is 5.64, and here 8.02, here like 9, and here 7 point. These are this grade must be between 2 1.5, like not more than 4, but this just practicing design, so no problem for this. So like this you can create a design for your road. Now if you come to the natural surface level is correct, but if you can see the profile grade level is also the same as the natural, because when we created this band, the profile, the station, this become before we create the design, so it's the same. So from here what will you do, right click on the profile, go to property, and from the band I will select here. If you can see this the PGL, so from here you will select the layout, this the road design profile. I give name to road 1 in the profile 1 and profile 2. So and then click apply. Okay, now if you see here in this station my design is up and the NGL is down, so you can see now the two uh, 2080 and 2075, the design is up and now it is correct. So now, like this you can create your design. Tomorrow inshallah I will make another video. If suppose one person ask me, already you have set this design, so if we don't have this band, how we will create this band. So I will from the start, then we will go forward from the here, how you will adjust your curve, you are setting this one. I will make another video on this, how you will insert. Suppose if I don't have now, if you can see there the horizontal curve, vertical curve, data and superposition, there is no band for this. So how you will create from the start, you will have tomorrow inshallah you will make, and then each of the one here of the option we will discuss one by one. But sometime I only created things on the simple way, because some people are learning from the start, so for them I make very easy thing, very easy way to the process to create thing. After this once we will finish to the quantity, up to the cross section and quantity calculation, then I will come to the professional civil 3D, how we are working. I will make then the video on that, like my friends asking me to make video on some asking grading, some sub-assembly composer, that. And if I will make, nobody, the beginner of civil 3D who is learning now, they will not understand anything. So let's finish first this the basic, and then we will go to the advanced. Okay, inshallah. So that was the today video. Inshallah tomorrow I will make another, how to create surface profile, and then how to make the design. Surface profile for the NGL, the existing ground, and then for the road design. The third option is, if I go to profile, if I see here create best fit profile. Best fit profile is from civil 3D. It will create a best profile what he think. Normally we are not using this, because when you will see the result you will understand why we are not using, but there is option, so we will discuss it. Asking for the profile view, so I will select the profile view, and then from here there is option like AutoCAD block, 3D poly line, AutoCAD font you can create, but I have surface profile, and from here you can adjust the option. If you don't know the your name of the surface profile, so select from here, and then from here you can adjust the arc or parabola. Above and below cut and fill both are above only, it will above, so let's check above only. And then the profile one, the name of this I will write design profile or road profile, and for this one I will change the design profile, because if I select the existing it will become the same color, the same dash line, so we will not know which one is road and which one is the road. I don't need the show the report and label option, because it will label here, so it will also not looking good. So when you create the profile, you can see now how it's created. a small curve here and nothing else here. You can see like this, no curve is like this, so it's not looking good. So let's delete here. If you want to delete, go to the alignment and then click the plus sign. From the plus sign, the alignment name, and from here the profile, and delete this design. Okay, now we will create same like yesterday. uh, from the alignment creation tool, because I want to show you how you will adjust your profile. When you created the profile, it look like this. When I created, because already I have set my drawing, so it's look good. But when you create it, it will come look like this. So how you will adjust that? Suppose I will write here the design, and then it's looking good. Okay, and from here I will create a tangent with curve. Let's start from here, and here I will click here somewhere. This is just practicing, so I will make like here, no problem. And in the end I will click here. Where is the end? Okay, so now you can see, I'll think here. If I little adjust the scale, so now you can see. Okay, so this your profile will look like this. So how you will adjust these things, like here no label, no band. So yesterday I we will go forward in this command, but first we will adjust how to set our profile. I will adjust the length of the profile, so it will look in the back view, or it will look good from the 0. I will start from the 0 to this is 900. I will suppose 450. Let's make for this. So the preview the back side will be good here. Okay, first of all, the lines, it's not looking good, because I don't know where is my line profile, because there are two lines, too many lines. So you can adjust it by going to edit profile view. If you go to edit profile view, the first option information is about your profile, the profile view. This is the name of the profile view. You can change from the properties, you can change the style. From here, if I come to the grip, this is the scale vertical and the horizontal scale. From here you can just suppose it's not looking good. If I 100, you can see, and if 200, it is more like this. So 100, I think 100 is looking good. Now if you can see, there is about too many lines there. So right click on the surface property and go to grid. The below option, you can start your profile from the right side or to left side. Left to right is normal, generally we creating like this, so we will like the grid. I am talking about this line, so let's click this vertical grid from the both areas. If you can see, when I click here, it is saying here, and the both areas like this, the vertical horizontal, you can click the area. Now it's looking clear. Okay, other thing, the space, the gap below. Now you can see this, the datum of my profile is very near to the line, the band. So if you enter here 1 and click apply, now you can see you have space from the upper, same like from here. From the left to right, you can increase or decrease the length. This one, the axis offset, this is the grid padding, and this is axis offset. Axis offset, this area will go on the left side or the right side. If you increase one, and you can see now from the here to bend to, if you will write the elevation here from datum to above, so you can create space like 5 meter, then 5 mm. You can see now it's creating like same like from here below above you can create. Okay, title, title animation. This title animation, you can adjust the scale. Suppose this the 5 if I write to 10 mm, now you can see the size of the if I change this one, it will not change. Go to inside and select this one, the profile, write all, and then is formatting, and from here select any Arial. Normally I'm using Arial, so I will, and then come here and click here and then apply OK, and now you will see the heading will change from here. The other thing, the title position on top center, because this is top center. The x offset and y offset. X offset is 0 and the y offset is 20. If you want to make it near to your product, click apply and it will near to your border around the, if you want to create the border, then you can adjust like this if you want. Okay, the other thing, the x is here, x is title on the bottom, title text on the bottom here, the text is here, and the station, the title of the text is writing here stations. If I go to here, from here you can change the station. If you what you like, you can select from here, and then press this arrow and it will appear here. Okay, the location of this text is center 00. It's no, okay, you can see here, no rotation, nothing like okay. For the text standard, okay, the next thing, the horizontal and the vertical axis. If you come here, the horizontal and the vertical, now the current space of the grid is 20 meter. So normally the measure is suppose this on 100. If I apply 100, you can check now, and the minor is 25 meter. You can see now, if I click apply OK, now you see this major station is 100 and the minor is 25 meter. Okay, now if you can see the for the minor, there is no text here. No, you cannot see the text here, and this the text height specification. From here you can adjust the specification. This is the text of the text. So if I will write this 25 it in on all, it will appear on 25. Okay, so if you come here and you see, you will not see the zero station, because I from here the properties, from here I just sometime will not take home. So if I on this layer, it's coming here. Okay, so the next thing, from the properties, the horizontal 25 from here you can take justification is on the center, the height of the text label. From here, if you go to inside, you can change the text label what you want here, the text style, rotation, and from here these all things for the minor. This is the major station, this for the minor station. There the location you can put on the top, or you can put on the bottom here. Horizontal geometry detail, the horizontal geometry. There is no horizontal geometry dash, yes, so from the band we will adjust that. Okay, coming to the vertical axis now, let's check. The interval is 2 meter, the major interval, and the minor interval is 1 meter. From here, the text size is saying for the if you can see here, the text size here not showing because sometimes the layer is up. So if I go here, okay, the 2 meter you can increase it to 4 meter like this. The gap between this interval between the major and the minor vertical axis. Okay, the smaller, the minor one you can adjust to here like 2 meter. You can see now You can adjust your graph like this. The text style same like before. You can adjust the rotation angle and the scale like it. From the display option, if you come to the display here, if I come to display here, what can you okay, from here if I right click to the property here, if the graphic title, if I want to off this, I can turn on this. From here you can change the you can also change the color of the title here. If turn on, then click OK, it will appear left axis. This left axis, these are the left axis. So if you turn on this one, you can see now this disappear, or something is disappear here. You can adjust this axis. What they write here, the elevation, you can adjust this elevation if you want. From the this the last option, the display, you can turn off the layer of the left axis elevation minor, same like the minor left axis major thick. The thick is the major and the minor thick. Now you can see like this. You can appear your text here. Same like this, the right side also, the top axis, the bottom axis, and the grid add simple line station, simple line we did not create, and profile H. Sometimes we H profile, and from here you can turn off YouTube. We don't have the H area, so from the option yesterday, as we calculated from the when we were doing this from the H area, if you can cut, and for the fill area you can specify the H area. If you click apply, so it will appear here the cut and the fill, the cut in one color and the fill in the other color. So from here, if you want, you can turn off this appearance of the you can see like this. You can adjust your profile. This is only a simple the profile style from where how it will look good, like 0.25 meter. From here you can adjust your like it's not like. And the other thing in my profile, if you can see here, from the style, I adjusted the left axis and that I agreed the horizontal and the vertical, the line, how we adjusted. Like if you come here from the color, if you don't know the name, from the color you can know here this color, and you can change here to the line type scale. Suppose I put the dash color here, all if you select the dash and click apply, you can see now the scale must be like 3. If you can see, apply here, now you can see your like this. You can adjust. Suppose if I want to change look, this look good, so in what will I do? I will click on my server, and I will go to this style, and from here I can adjust its color. It's like line type scale, many thing I can adjust. Now it is one. So if you want to the line type scale, line type, you can make it normally the NGL we don't look at the design is looking like thickness. The NGL don't have a thickness, but you can assign thickness like here to your object. Okay, so for same like for the design one, you can go to the properties. Inshallah, from the properties here, the bands we will adjust all the bands, new band from here. But now if I will create now the bands, it will take time. So inshallah, in the next video, today we just know how to the style, the appearance of our profile. We adjusted like how our profile will appear here. So then in the next video I will see how we will delete this band which is available here, and we will make new band here. We will appear here new band uh, as from here we can adjust, we can the data of the surface profile, like everything, elevation and heading. Tomorrow we will inshallah discuss this. If I apply this the same one appear here and we can delete. Tomorrow I will show how we will write here the heading, the band data name, and then how we will separately, like as we have our profile. This surface and alignment is alignment with the one curve here, and this is our profile. Yesterday we draw this surface, natural ground and design, and then we discuss about the profile style. Today we will talk about the band. If you create a new profile, your band is look like this. So if I click on the profile and go to profile view property, you can right click on the profile. There is single band here in the properties bar. Okay, what is showing here? The station, the natural ground level, and if I right click and check here, this is the band detail. So what will I do? I will right click and information, the properties of the profile. If we see, there is a single band here, so I will delete this, and now you can see there is no band for this profile. If I want to make the first band, we will create for the natural ground. So in the properties, profile view properties bar, there is the pip number, the band. From band type I will select, there is a lot, we will discuss one by one, but I will select the first one, and from here I will there is many also the band style, so I will select, and then it's asking for you are creating this band for the natural ground or for road. So I am creating for the natural ground. So if you click here inside, there is elevation and station. So what will I do? I will create a new band for my natural ground level. You can also edit this one, but better you create the new one. From the information I will write its name, natural ground level, which means NGL. From the band detail, if you can see, this the compose label is a label where there is right this natural ground level. Okay, I will show you. In this area where there is a label like here, this is called I will create again, then I will click here, create new, and then this title I will give name NGL, and then coming to the band detail I will compose label. From here is the text name. You can write the text name here, NGL. Okay, this NGL will be in there is visibility anchor component, and then the anchor point. You can see here from this preview profile data band style, you can view how what changes we will make. It will appear here. So for here those are only text, and the text, in place of text you can write NGL. For anchor point there is I will write this middle left on the left side and the middle. You can specify the other style there, other point, anchor point, and from the here the text component editor bar you can write with the name of your band. Suppose this is NGL, and from the format you can select the font style, what type of normally I'm using the Arial. You can select which is looking good to you, which is looking better. You can select, and then already I selected the text, so the text color is now become red now, as you can see here. Okay, from the text height you can adjust normally 3.5 is the main text size. Rotation you can rotate from here. Attachment to this I will also write the middle left. From here the text attachment to this box. So there is a many option. You can use this. You can try on each of the option you have. Which one is looking good, you must try that one. So what will I do? I will select the middle left as I usually use. Okay, there is another option, the color by layer maximum weight, like you can apply this one. So now we will only apply this. The band height, this band, what will be the height of the band? So for the normal I'm keeping like you can keep 25, but I will keep 17.5 as I'm keeping for the previous my band, and 70 is the width, or you can say the length. And offset there is 0 offset, and when you click apply you will see there will be a band appear here, the natural ground level with the title box title, and there is NGL because I select the type of the band station and elevation, so it's showing the two. I will now, what will I do? I will go here, I will click on this place. The gap between this is 12.5, so I will keep it 0, so it will be connected to the profile. Okay, so now if I want to edit this band, what will I do? I will there is a option you can show label, or you can turn off. From here I will go and edit this band style. Okay, there is a major station and a minor horizontal geometry point. I will first change selecting full band height thick, which will be showing in the band. The full, you can select the small thick also, there is option. So I will compose label, click on the compose label, because the major station I will change and make changes. And there is two options, station value and profile. And the profile 1 elevation is for the NGL, and profile 2 elevation is for the profile grade level PGL or the road design. Same like here the previous, uh, the visibility, the name, the band medal, it will be the medal of the band. So I will let it is, and then what will I do? I will select here. If I want to change the color for this, what will it already selected that profile 2 is for the PGL, and profile 1 there are other option also. You can make precision for this also. The color, and I will select color and click on the arrow, and text height is more than normal, so I will keep 3.00 only. The rotation angle is 90. The other thing is also like you can see 3, and then 90 is the rotation of the text. From here you can select the color type of the border, and the x offset mean if you will leave it 00x on the x is y, it will be on the right side of the line or the tick, you can say, but I give -5, so it will come on the left side of the tick. Now you can see full tick within the band, and there is also gap 12.5 meters, so I will click 0 to the gap will be finished. Now you can see the NGL band. Now we created the natural ground band. There is some other you can see the level. So if you want to turn off this level, what will you do? You will go to display, and the layer, the label at vertical geometry point, that is by default it's creating in the new latest version of Civil 3D. So you must turn off the layer thick. Now also there is, you can see the thick for this one, the both, so you must turn on these layer from here, the display inside this band cell. Now you can see this disappear. So now our band for the natural ground is ready. You can see it's looking good as compared to the before. If you want to adjust the natural ground, this band title, so you can adjust. You will go anytime you need to make changes, click on this here and go to compose, and the it's on the x-axis, the y is above. So on the x-axis I will, what will I do? I will give plus value, positive value. Suppose I will give 5 or 10, so it will move on the right side. Okay, now you can see it move on the right side. You can adjust your title text. Now you can see it's looking good. So now our natural ground level band is ready. If I want to create for the design, what will I do? You don't need to create a new every time. Just when you make one band, set everything for the one band, and then take copy from that band every time. Just change the title of that band, and suppose I will take any one here. I will add for the design. Okay, and then what will I do? I will go from here, as I create here the natural ground, so I will select. Already I created this, and it's looking good. So what will I do? I will take copy of this current selection. If I take copy of the current selection, what will I do? I will change the name of this band, because this per PGL. So I will copy this, and from here is we can change the title. Before it was natural ground, and so I will select PGL, and this the color I will change, so there will be difference between the two. Don't click the arrow. If you will click the arrow, the parent alignment like this, then this will appear. So write only name and then select, and then select the color part, that's one, and click OK. Already it is selected. Now you can see it's the change this now I will change for the major station, because there is a profile 1 elevation selected inside. So what will I do? I will go and I will select the value for the profile 2 elevation, and then I will click on the arrow and I will select the color, different color, so it will be different between the NGL and PGL level. Then click OK, and then click apply, and then OK. You can see the gap. So from the gap, if you want to keep on the 0, or you can give some value to it, but I always keep on 0. So now you can see the values of the both levels are the same, because in the NGL band I selected the natural ground. So from here, profile 2, I will select the road design as I give name to my design value. Now you can see here the NGL is down and the PGL is up, so there is difference between the two levels. Okay, as we discussed, when I change the band, now there is difference. The NGL is above and PGL, NGL is below, PGL is above, and there is the difference between the two bands. The PGL is blue and the NGL is now. If I want to create the station, so what will I do? There is already one band for the station. You can select this one, or you can copy the what band we make. We can copy this one. Suppose if I will add this band which is already available there, so this the station will appear here. And if I make the value 0 of the, it will be the near to the band, but it is looking different from the bands I created for PGL and NGL. From here you can make changes to this band, but what will I do? For the same band, to look my profile good, what will I do? I will copy the two bands I created. So what will I do? I will take copy from this two band, and I will make that band for station also. So the third band is station. So what will I do? Same like I will select one of the two, NGL and PGL. Already I make it, and I will go to copy current selection, and from here the name I will change to station, because it's the station band. So I will from here, same like before, I will select this, and the name of the text component I will write, and for here I will give it a different color, so the station will be looking different. Generally we are using like this, the NGL, and from the station there is a value. You can change this value, and from here the station value must be changed because it is profile 2. So I will write station value, click on the arrow, and from here you can change the precision of the station also. And there if some the sign, negative sign, so you must drop sign. We don't need any sign here. Okay, from the here the station will look like this. You can change the station style, character file. If click OK, apply, and OK. Now you can see, because I take copy from already I have what type of band I make, so it's the same look like. You can see now it will be look like exactly the same. For the color change, you can change the color from here, or you can change the color from outside by layer. Now you can see now our station also created. If you it's looking like the station inside the band is not fit. It's not looking good inside because the 00 is outside the line of the band. So what will I do? You can now, as you can see, the value of the station is outside the band. And also the color, I assign a color white color. So if it is not changed, you can change from outside here by the color of the text here, from here, from both pieces, from the inside, and also from here you can assign a different color. Suppose already I give white color to the station, so I will change from here. Okay, if the value is looking big as the 2 0 or more with this, so what will you do? You will go here in the same process. You can the text height, decrease the text height, or you can remove the 2 0 which is I assign from here. From here the precision value, put on the one, select the one, and then you will see it will look good. I'm repeating every time so you will know exactly the process. Now you can see the band, it's the station value inside the band is fit now, so it's looking good as compared to the as we created the before the first one. So now the remaining from here you can assign vertical geometry. Vertical geometry is for the profile for the road, and you simply click add, and from here 0 and the you must road assign the road, because the vertical geometry is for the road design, not for the engine. The horizontal geometry is for the road or the alignment. Where there is curve, it will show. So you can see it selected already the NGL. Now the vertical geometry you can see there for the straight line showing, and the curve it will give radius like this. One thing remaining, there is a super elevation, so I will also assign there these things. Vertical geometry, horizontal geometry, and super elevation must be inside your profile. So now you can see the band, horizontal, vertical geometry, and super elevation added. Now only there is no line in the band vertical geometry, so as the other have, so we will make the similar so it will look good. So what will I do? I will go to the property. For the vertical geometry we don't have the border line, so what will I do? I will go to the compose or display, and here the band title box layer is up. So when I turn on this layer, you can see it's came here. Now it's looking good, same like the other band. For the other bands, I can adjust from here. I can adjust the same as value I give before to my natural ground band and PGL band. I will the same value I will put here, so it will looking same, and it must be the same looking, so it will be when you are fronted is looking good. For the horizontal geometry you can adjust the text size, or you can increase the height of the band. From you here you can adjust your height of the band and the length. Okay, for the super elevation I will also adjust it. you must try on these things. So once you will try it, you will find more thing to adjust, maybe the more ways to it's looking good. The same value I give before to my band I will use here also. So now you may see this bands looking good. Okay, this values uh, if you want to change the location of the station, I always put in the last row, so you can click on the arrow downside and it will move where anyone band you want to move up and down. Use the right arrows on the right side. The super elevation, still we did not calculate the super elevation, so you must calculate super elevation, so it will be appear in your band. I will just created a quick super elevation for my alignment. Now you can see here the straight line is looking here in the bend, and the curve where there is a curve, the transition mean from where the straight line the one transition mean the super elevation from the normal to the, suppose the normal is 1.5 meter and the maximum 6%, so from 1.5 to 6%, this is called transition. Now as you can see, our profile bands are ready here. The color on the line color, the band line color must be same. So from here the display tab, you can make changes of the color of the line. It must be same, so when it's same it look good. So one time you must set this, then you can take copy from that. So from here you can select color for your band. And now you can see I make the band white, same like I will change for each of the band. Profile today, inside the profile, the upper top view where there is a NGL, PGL, the road design and the natural ground surface, and then the crust curve table, the label like here we will adjust how it's if I see it's not looking good, to make it better looking like for printing, same like here. If you can see this view, like adjusting, you can adjust this by manual or adjusting by from the setting. We will know today. There is the grade line in this profile. There must be showing the grade in going inside and outside, and like this. Let's start to do this work. First of all, the height of the profile must be more, so this the curve data must be adjusted here. So the vertical, this is vertical curve and this is horizontal curve. This is the difference between the two curve, horizontal curve in the plan and vertical curve in the profile. So let's start it. Click on the profile view and go to the profile view property. Actually this came in the profile view property. Okay, if I came to profile view property, the information bar, there is the name of the alignment. You can change here an object style from here. Currently this is profile view which we set from the profile view style. So from here you can change your name. From here the station is automatic. This is station name. From here you can adjust your station. Suppose I need up to 500, so here manually you can write or you can select from the alignment here, and from this arrow you can select the station. When you click apply, you will see now the length of this profile decreases to 500. Okay, so again I will go to property and I will set it automatically, and now you can see the length it come to its original position. Then for the next is elevation. If you see the above here, this above my profile there is less place, so for this what will I do? This by default it's from 660 to 665, so from here I will increase. Suppose I will 670, apply, and then now you can see the height adjusted and also the vertical curve data adjusted. Except like you can increase or decrease this value from here, also from here, and when you click apply it's happen now. The other profile, the profile is like you want to, from here you can change the style of this profile. If you want to exist in, if you exist in this natural ground color, if you want to change from here you can change, or override style, you can override style from here. You know the station about here nothing much to change. So the bands already we created band for here, so we will not discuss this. So these were in the hedge. If you want to hedge the cut and fill area, you can, the cut area like here it will color. If I click on the cut, this upper boundary and the lower boundary, upper boundary is my surface and the lower boundary is the design, so it means there will be cutting when the NGL is above and the PGL is below. It's if you click here, then the hedge will appear here. From here you can assign the style of the cut material. Already it's set, so the fill material when the design is up in the NGL, so if NGL is below, automatically there will be fill material up to the design. So when I click apply and OK, now there must be hedge appear. If it is not appear, you must go to the style. So from here the layer must be on the profile hedge, so this must be on, and you can see now the hedge, the cut and the fill. The cut is red and the fill is green. So you can show your cut and fill in your profile. If if somebody asks to show the cut and fill area in the profile, you can show like this. Okay, let's come to the grade view like this. So for that I will click on my profile, design profile, right click, and then go to edit label. In the edit label, if you can see there is already some added, so I will delete this all and this apply, and now you can see all things removed here, nothing here. We will add new, so you will understand how it is added. Click on your design and go to edit label. For the first there is a major and minor station, no need for this. Suppose if I will add major station there, here nobody add here the station, so we don't need this minor and major station in our profile. The next thing is horizontal geometry. In horizontal geometry is for the alignment or the center of the road, not in the vertical profile, so we don't need this one. We will add a line. The line mean the grade, it will show you the grade where it's going down or up. And here there are two style, percentage grade and slope 1 and 2x. Okay, for I suppose if I select the percentage and then click OK and then apply, now you can see one appear here and this appear here. This showing the grade is minus, and this showing the grade is going up. Okay, if I zoom a little, you can see now. So now you can see here this is grade going minus and there is positive, so it's going up like this. If showing in every distance, in each interval of the distance is good. You can change the style if you want, and 1 is 2 like this. If you want to show it, click apply and it will show like this, 1 is 2 like this. But normally we are showing in the other the other, this one, the percentage grade we are showing in the percent grade. The weeding must be not more than 200 or 50. The 50 is good, because if you will increase the up to more, and suppose up to 200, it will disappear in the 200 meters. So keep it in like 0 or 50, it's better. So it will be like equal interval showing like this. You can adjust the color. If you want to change its color, go inside this, click from here. It's showing here you what will you will change, and from the layout you can adjust the style, and you can change the color of your grid. So when you click apply, the color of the grid change. There is other option we already discuss inside that. So you can change from there. Okay, now let's insert the other label here. So if I go to, I will click here. If I go to edit label style, the other option is grade break, where when we insert a PVI, you already saw there was a line appear here. So there is a single option here, station over elevation. If I click add here and I click apply, now you can see from here there is a grade break starting, and all over my design profile, when there is a grade break, it's appear here, it's showing the station and the grade break. From if you want to change the style, you must click here, you go, and this sign, the sign here, and the inside the style you click, and you can you can make changes here. If you want, you can make changes the length of the line like this. You can, there is many option, you can change the color, uh, same like other thing we change from here, you can change. Okay, the next thing here, there is no data for the crust and sag here, so we will adjust, we will insert this option. So I will click on the design and then edit label. There is crust and curve and sag curve. For the crust curve, uh, uh, you must not select the single one, select the both of them. If there is crust or sag, it will select automatically. You can change it later from here for the single one, and then click apply, and now you can see it's appear here for the crest. Same like I will for the sag, I will add here, and I click apply. Now you see the for the sag, it's insert here. Okay, now you can specify the height of this crust or this sag data. You can we from here you can adjust here this uh, the distance about pix elevation. Suppose pix elevation, then you will specify the pix elevation here for the both. If you specify pix elevation, click on here. Now this you can change here. If you can 1000, if you apply, then it will go for the pix elevation. Same like you can insert as sometime which you need the distance below, so click apply and it will go downside the 0, give value, and it will go below to the your design. Same like okay, the other thing, graph top view from here. If you apply, it will how much distance you give here, it will from the graph. This is the graph top view, so it will appear here. So normally we keep in the distance above and give some height here. Suppose this is 665, you can adjust from here. Okay, for distance above, you must then decrease the height of the, suppose this is 50, so 50 is you must look at this to how to adjusting like, and from here. Okay, so same like here, you can adjust your data of the design. Now you can see the our design is the profile, it's looking good. You can adjust the height from here if you want. station elevation 650, so it's 60 55, like this. You can adjust your view. Like now it's will look good, same like you can adjust the height and the so like this you can adjust your profile view by printing, and manually you can also adjust. If you need some time, you can adjust the height of the curve data from the here. So hopefully you will try on this thing, inshallah, tomorrow. And the next we will start from the here the profile, from create profile, continuing to the profile video. In our previous classes we learned about create surface profile, create profile creation tool, how to create design, create best fit profile, which Civil 3D created. Now today we will talk about create profile from file. The design we will make from file. This when we need this type of creation from file. Suppose we have PDF from other company or from consultant. We don't have drawing, so we draw natural ground surface, and then the same design level we uh, make a file from that design, and we import that file to our profile above the NGL level. So the same profile level, uh, we make the same design level as we receive from the consultant. So uh, this is our natural ground surface, existing ground. This is our element. First I will create a surface profile. I will click here. Same we discuss the alignment name, the station. I will add the natural ground surface here, and I will create and draw and profile view. Click on the next, because everything we discussed before, and click somewhere here. Okay, now this is our natural ground surface. Natural ground surface, this the bend showing both the natural ground, because still we did not create the profile grade level. So the finished grade level in the row, so the level will be same. This vertical geometry is also part of the design, so it's also still from the NGL and look like this. The horizontal geometry from for the alignment, so it's showing which place is tangent and which is curve. So for elevation we did not calculate yet, so it's looking like this. Okay, let's come to create profile from file. If I click, I move to my cursor here, and I press F11, it will go to help, and from here the file format requirement of the profile file. If I click here, it's showing the data must be like this. First station, then elevation, the next station elevation. If there is curve, then this must be 3 column, one station, one elevation, and then the length of the curve. Same like this you will put the data. It's showing station elevation and curve length, everything here. This helping us F1. If you don't know something, move your cursor above head that option and press F1, so it will tell you what you should do. Okay, so I first, what will I do? I will come to a folder, I will right click, and I will create a new txt file. Txt or CSV file you can import. Better I'm using txt, so I will write road design for this, and I will open this. Now if I, because this is just practice, so what we will do, I will just look to here. So where I want to create, I will, the first elevation is 6.30. So for 0, then space 6.320, 2 cm above I will make. And then the next station, let's check, suppose I want to create a curve here. So what will I do? And the station, suppose this 300, so for 350 I will create a curve. so I will write 350, and 350 elevation is the space, then 662 is the curve in the existing elevation, so I will put 663.00, and then the length of the curve, suppose 150 will be my length of the curve. Then going forward, suppose I want to create another curve here on the 700, so you will take that level from the profile if you have, so the 700, then uh, space, then the elevation is for the 700 the elevation is 63120, so I will create below this one 662.5, and the length of the curve must be 120. I will give different, so it will come different, then the last elevation you must know exactly the same station. You must not give the station if it is more than the length of the alignment, it will not create the design. So right click on alignment, go to property and check it is 1034.08. So I will come here and the same level here, the distance, and I will create for the 1034.08, and then the elevation is 663.4, so I will give 663.4, exactly the same. For the last and the first one, you must not give the length of the curve, and then file and save this file and close this. The name of this road design. Okay, now come to the here the home tab and go to profile and click on the create profile from file. Show him it's inside my folder, so this was the txt file for the design I created, so I will click open. Then it's asking for the name, alignment name. The alignment name is, if they are more, you should select from here the PGL name, so I will give the PGL name is road design. Okay, for the style I must give the design. I'm using this one, so I will give this road design. The label, complete label I'm using here, and then click OK. Station 102 either outside of the baseline limit or with the gap created by the station equation. Okay, it's showing it what I told you before. This must not be more than. So what will I do? I will here the 7. I will change to the values and then click save. Okay, then the same process, create from file, select this one, and then okay, the same thing I will write design, and from here the design value and complete label text, and click OK. And now you can see the design value where I give two curve, one elevation and the length of vertical curve was 150 and the other was 120. So now you can see one was below the angel and one was above the angel. The same design it's created. So like this you can create your profile from file. So that was today's video about creation of profile from the file outside. If you have design outside, you can create like that. In the previous classes we made a profile for this alignment, and we make from create surface to create profile from file. We complete. Today we will talk about create quick profile. Suppose this is our 10 surface, and I want to check here a quick preview for this area, because from the top view I don't know. So I will create here a polyline, and I will click on the quick profile. Here they are asking select all surfaces, so I will select only the one which I want to draw in the profile. From here you can select the style and then click here, and now you can see the name and the quick profile of the line. What is the best thing about the quick profile? You can move and check the different location. If you move directly, it automatically the elevation, the surface location according to the location of the line will change. If you stretch the line, the profile will also change dynamically. So you can get preview of your surface anywhere, uh, any location you want. You can draw a line here and the profile will change. Okay, if I draw two lines, one from the right side of the road to the left side, and then the second one from the left side to the right side, and then you create profile from quick profile for both one. Okay, one I select one from right side to left side, and now you can see the next one. I will draw profile for the next one. So when you draw profile for the next one from the left side to right side, you can see from which side you draw a line, from that side it will draw profile. So this was the technical point which I want to share with you. There is a difference between these two. From which side you start the line, from that side quick profile will be created. And if you move like this, you can stretch, you can extend like this. Now you can see from that side it's the length of the profile reducing. So that was one thing, and the best thing about this, when you delete the line, the profile is also deleted. Now come to our next profile creation option. There is a superimpose profile. Superimpose profile, if you want to know the two, suppose there is two road crossing each other or parallel to each other, they are passing near to each other, and if you want which road is up, which is down, in the same profile, for that purpose we create superimpose profile. Suppose I will create another alignment near to this road A alignment. I will start point from the start of the surface. Now I want to know this road. I will create profile for this one, so we will know there must be a design value for the both, so then we can compare the both of the profile. Now I will create design for this profile also. This is just practice profile, so we would just want to know the difference between two profile. If the name of the profile does not change, select from here the parent alignment, and the name of the profile will be according to the alignment. So now the upper one is alignment B and the below is road A. If you want to adjust the height from here, you can change the height of the profile. Okay, so now I want to check this road with the road A. The I will superimpose road B to road A, and then we will compare the two profile. So I will go to the option create superimpose. This asking for source. This the source ones, you which one you want to superimpose on the other, and then asking for destination. The destination is the road A. You can station range along source element. You can select manually here, because the first road is 00 and the other is 470, so the accuracy you can adjust here. Okay, I will let 8 it is, and then okay. Now both the road B alignment also appear here, and this is called superimpose. I superimpose road B on road A. So I will if you click on the alignment, from here you can change your alignment design style, because both will look same, so you will not know which one is road B or road A. So which design you superimpose, you must change the style of that alignment. So as you see, I can change from here. Anyone which is look different from the main design profile. So now these two are one is road A, one is road B, and they are looking different. Up to 400 the road B alignment is, so it's also in the plan same location. Okay, if you want to add the level in this profile band, you can add. When you superimpose this also added in this profile, and you can add the band for that. From the same process we discussed earlier in the video, I will add a PGL, and then I will add, and I will select the layout 3 alignment B, and then I will click OK, and I will move it to the gap must be 0, so that they will adjacent to each other, and then I will move it to up below the road A profile design profile. Now you can see if the level of the road be not showing, go to property and click on the show box, and then it will appear here. Now you can see the difference between here they are almost the same in this point, almost the same. You can see, but here they are different profile level. 66395 and the other one is 66350 down. Road A is down, and from here both road B is down and road A is up. So like this you can cover video on profile. Today we will discuss how to show high and low point and alignment. As alignment and profile are connected to each other, sometimes we need to know the outlet or inlet in our plan to know where the water will cross our road. Suppose if I come here and the profile I see here, the low point is the station and the elevation, which is relative to the alignment. Also here, if I go forward, there is a high point and station, which I make highlight with this arrow. So if I want to change the elevation sometime, suppose if I want to change this elevation, the low point change, but here it did not change. Same like if I change the profile, the high point changed, but here the point did not change. So I need something like when I change my design, it's also showing here in the plan, so that I will know exactly where is the low or high point on my road as it's shown in the profile. So how we will do it, we will click on the alignment and right click and then go to alignment label. There are many label in alignment, already we discussed it. So from here, this profile geometry, if I go here, there is high and low point, you can see here. Suppose if I select high point here and I add, it asking for which design you want to know, for NGL or if I want to know the road level. So I will unselect, and from here I will only select the low point, the high point and the low point. You can select both each time or separately, no problem, and click OK and then apply and then OK. Now you can see here the label appear here with showing that this point is high point. Same like this, I will go to alignment label. From here, the geometry point, low point, and click add. And from here, unselect all or only select the low point here for the design for the road and click apply and OK. Now you can see here also the label appear because my animation scale is very high. So if I make it smaller, now you can see here the the text looking good now. So I can do just like this. Now if I will change the design, the road design, it will also change in the alignment. Suppose you can see here, I will zoom out. So if I change the low point location, suppose if I change my one, now you can see it's changed automatically here. If I change the high point here, suppose the high point change is automatically changes here, and I know where is the high and low point. So like this you can adjust both of your alignment and profile to know. Sometime we want to make a structure in our road to know the high and low point, so it should be dynamic because sometimes we make changes our design, so it is related to when we change the design, automatically the low and high point location will change. So that was today video. Continuing to our profile, today we will discuss about, suppose this is our plan, this is our profile. Sometime our design have very high and low point. So when we try to print like this profile with plan, I will show you what will happen. We will learn about how to set page for plan profile, but now we are discussing about the split profile. So now you can see our design, half is here came in the print preview, but half is hide because of the high elevation. So there are two methods. One, if you take copy from this one and from the properties, from the station band, you can divide into two. How much is the length of this profile, you can divide like this, and you can print separately. One is this method. I will control Z, and I will tell you the right method for doing this. Go to profile view and elevation tab, select the split profile view. In the split profile view, I will adjust so that you will see below. From the manual, tick on the box here, split view, and then from here you can see the datum elevation is 658, and we can move up to 662, where from here the NGL is starting, so we have space from below. So from here already the adjusted datum is there 6658. So if I change this to 662, if you see, it's moved up to downside, the datum now change, and I will add another datum where I want. You can select from the profile and then click add. Suppose for this station 250 station, I will click and it's asking for elevation. You can click on in profile, or you can manually enter the elevation. Now if I click apply before checking, like suppose if I will on the second part I will keep the same before, like 658, and in the first profile I will change it to 662 like this. You can adjust your profile. Suppose if I change this datum elevation, so the design will accordingly move up and down. From here you can also adjust your datum. Suppose if I want to move the design in the second split part, from here, if we need some graph above our design, so what will I do? I will click on the profile from the properties and automatic. There is one automatic, one manual. Automatic which is selected automatically by Civil 3D, and from here you can select. Suppose I want to go up to 680 elevation. Now you can see there is space above the design, and then I divided the split. Now you can see our profile design looking in both first and second splitted part. If sometime you have space in side plan, you can adjust like this manually, and double click inside the viewport and click on the lock screen, and you can adjust like this. And if my curve data not showing, I will right click on the design, and I will add a label to my Karo data. From here you can put only the text above the data of your Karo data, or you can move all your line above the Karo data like this. You can adjust now. You can see if it is looking because this is civil 3D, so it's happening like this. So you can go inside here and manually adjust this Karo data sometime if it is needed. I will also adjust the second Karo. So like this you can adjust your profile. If it is high and low elevation, you can divide into the split profile. तो प्रोफाइल के बारे में है, ये मुख्तलिफ़ तरीक़ों से प्रोफाइल कैसे बनाते हैं, तो उसके ऊपर आज वीडियो है। ये हमारा एलिमेंट है, ये सरफेस है जो NGL है नेचुरल ग्राउंड, और ये उसका प्रोफाइल बना हुआ है नेचुरल ग्राउंड का। इसके ऊपर हम अभी बनाएंगे डिज़ाइन के लिए आप प्रोफाइल क्रिएशन टूल में जाएंगे और ओके कर लेंगे। ये आपके पास ऐसा आ जाएगा टेबल। तो इसको भी ये पहले कार्नर पे आपने टेंजन में जो है ना वो सीधे लाइन आ जाएंगे, उसमें पर आप करो डाल सकते हैं, और दूसरे में ये खुद ही करो डाल देते हैं। तो ये मैं ऑन कर देता हूँ इसको, और इधर आपने क्लिक करना है। सबसे पहले क्लिक करने के बाद आपने एब्स्ट्रॉपी जो अपर कामा है वो एंटर करना है। उसके बाद आपने डालना है, जैसे मिसाल के तौर पर आपको प्रोफाइल स्टेशन एलिवेशन चाहिए तो PSE वो डालना है, और फिर उसके बाद आपने एंटर करना है। यह कह रहा है कि आपको सेलेक्ट करें प्रोफाइल व्यू के बाद आपने स्टेशन सबसे पहले उसको देना है। तो स्टेशन जो है वो मिसाल के तौर पर मैं 0 से स्टार्ट करूँगा। मेरी एलिवेशन NGL की ये नेचुरल ग्राउंड की ये है 320, तो आपके पास तो होगी, जो भी आपके डिज़ाइन की वैल्यू है वो आप दे सकते हैं। और उसके बाद अब 100 की जो है नेचुरल ग्राउंड 312/85 है, तो इसी हिसाब से अगर मैं देखूँ तो ये मुझे शो भी हो रही है 318। वो आपके पास वैसे भी डिज़ाइन की जो है वो अपने डिज़ाइन का लेवल आप उसमें से डाल लेंगे, तो ये सीधा उधर तक आ जाएगा। आपने जो स्टेशन और जो एलिवेशन दी होगी ये उसी स्टेशन पर आ जाएगी। उसके बाद जो है साल के तौर पर 200 मेरी RD मैंने दी है, तो ये मैं इसको एलिवेशन जो भी दूंगा 200 का वो उसी तक 321.17 या जो भी आपकी एलिवेशन होगी वो उधर तक आ जाएगी। ऐसे आप इसको पूरा कर सकते हैं जितना आपका प्रोफाइल होगा। खैर उसमें से खुद आप फिर बाद में एडजस्ट भी कर सकते हैं। इसको मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ। उसके बाद ये एक तरीका है प्रोफाइल स्टेशन एलिवेशन। दूसरा जो है उसी तरीके से आप इसमें जाएंगे प्रोफाइल क्रिएशन टूल में। उसके बाद इसी टेंजन वाले ऑप्शन पर ये बंद हो जाता है इसके साथ, तो ये आपने ऑन करना है। इसकी इधर क्लिक करके आपने वही एपोस्ट्रोफी और फिर उसके बाद प्रोफाइल जो है ग्रेड और स्टेशन, जैसे आप क्लिक करेंगे ये आपको प्रोफाइल व्यू के बारे में पूछेगा और पहले ग्रेड का पूछेगा। जैसे आप उसको ग्रेड दोगे, मिसाल के तौर पर कोई भी आपका ग्रेड है और आपके ये फिर आपसे स्टेशन का पूछेंगे कि कौन से स्टेशन तक ये ग्रेड जा रहा है, तो ये देखिए खुद ही ड्रा हो रहा है। इस तरह से आप जो है ना नेक्स्ट अभी ये ग्रेड पूछेगा, बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वही जो आपने पहले ग्रेड दिया होगा वो उसमें होगा। अगर आप चेंज करेंगे तो वही, और स्टेशन जैसे आप उसको आगे देंगे ये उसी तरह से आप नया ग्रेड देंगे तो वो इसी पर सेट हो जाएगा। और इस तरीके से आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं जितना आपका होगा पूरा जो डिज़ाइन होगी आपकी। इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आपके पास पहले से डिज़ाइन बना हुआ हो। तीसरा जो तरीका है वो है क्रिएट अलाइनमेंट फ्रॉम फाइल। ये फाइल से हम कैसे जो है ना डिज़ाइन प्रोफाइल बना सकते हैं। ये मेरे पास इधर है एक मैंने TXT फाइल में अभी वो प्रोफाइल बनी हुई है डिज़ाइन। इसके लिए आपके पास पहले से डिज़ाइन बनी होनी चाहिए। तो ये मैंने एंटर की है سب سے پہلے والے اور سب سے آخر والے میں آپ نے کرو کی لینتھ نہیں ڈالنا. یہ پہلے اسٹیشن ہے, دوسری ایلیویشن ہے, اور تیسری جو ہے نا اگر کرو آپ کے پاس ہے تو اس کی لینتھ آپ ڈالیں گے. اور پہلے اور آخر والے میں آپ نے کرو کی لینتھ نہیں ڈالنی. جو بیچ میں ہے اس میں سے آپ نے اسٹیشن, ایلیویشن اور کرو کی لینتھ ڈالنی ہے صرف اس کو. اور کرو کی جو ہے نا پی وی آئی والی ایلیویشن آپ نے ڈالنی ہے. یہ میں آپ کو بھی پروفائل اس کا ڈیزائن کا دکھا دیتا ہوں جہاں سے میں نے یہ ڈالی ہے. اس میں یہ میں نے پہلے بنا کے اس میں سے ایلیویشن, یہ پہلے 0 ہے تو اس کی ایلیویشن اس سے ڈالی. اس کے بعد میری کرو ادھر آ رہی تھی, تو جو کرو کی جو ہے وہ پی وی آئی جو ہے اسٹیشن اور ایلیویشن وہی آپ نے ڈالنی ہے. یہ خود ہی پھر ڈیزائن کیلکولیٹ کر دیتا ہے. 150 اس کی جو ہے لینتھ تھی, ویٹ سوری کرو کے. اچھا دوسرے جو کرو ہے اس کی بھی میں نے اس میں سے سارے ڈیٹا ڈال دیے اسی طریقے سے. اور آخر کا اسٹیشن آپ نے وہ چیک کرنا ہے ضروری کہ اس کا لینتھ پروفائل سے زیادہ نہ ہو جو آپ کے الائنمنٹ کی لینتھ ہے. اور پہلے اور آخری میں آپ نے خالی چھوڑنا ہے. اسی طرح بس اسٹیشن اور ایلیویشن دینا ہے. ابھی یہ میں ڈیلیٹ کر دیتا ہوں اس کو, تاکہ اس کے اوپر پھر دوبارہ میں ڈیزائن لے کے آ سکوں. تو ابھی آپ نے کیا کرنا ہے, اوپر پروفائل میں جانا ہے. پروفائل, کریٹ پروفائل فرام فائل. اچھا اس میں سے یہ فائل اٹھانا ہے جو فائل آپ نے بنائی ہوئی ہے, اور اس میں جا کے سلیکٹ کرنا ہے. اوکے, پھر یہ آپ سے پوچھے گا کہ آپ کے الائنمنٹ کون سی الائنمنٹ کے اوپر آپ یہ ڈیزائن بنانا چاہتے ہیں. تو اگر آپ کو نام پتہ ہے تو اس سے سلیکٹ کر, یا ادھر سے جا کے آپ اس کو سلیکٹ کر سکتے ہیں جو آپ کا الائنمنٹ ہے. اور ادھر سے یہ جو اپنے ڈیزائن کے اسٹائل میں بائی ڈیفالٹ یہی رکھتا ہوں, اور اس کے اوپر جو لیبل وغیرہ آئیں گے کرو کے وہ ساری چیزیں, اور اوکے کرتا ہوں. آپ دیکھیں گے کہ یہ خود ہی اس کے اوپر آ جاتا ہے جہاں تک ہم نے اس کو ڈیزائن لیول دیا ہوتا ہے. تو اس طرح سے یہ جو ہے نا آپ, اس کی ایلیویشن ابھی ڈیزائن کی ایلیویشن نہیں آ رہے, تو اس میں سے جا کے جو پروفائل والا ہے وہ اگر میں پروفائل کر سلیکٹ کروں گا تو اس میں خود ہی آ جائیں گے, کیونکہ میں نے پہلے ڈیلیٹ کیا تھا تو وہ اس کے ساتھ چلے گئے تھے. تو ابھی یہ دیکھیں اس کے ڈیزائن کے جو لیول ہے نا وہ خود ہی آ گئے. تو اسی طریقے سے یہ جو نیچے ابھی ورٹیکل جیومیٹری ہے یہ ڈیزائن ہی ہوتی ہے, این جی ایل کی نہیں. جہاں کرو آتی ہے وہ آپ کو کرو شو کرتی ہے. تو اس طرح سے یہ پروفائل بنتا ہے مختلف طریقوں سے. یہ آپ بنا سکتے ہیں. آپ کو یہ ساری چیزیں جو ہے نا جیسے ہم نے ڈالی تھی فائل سے, اسی طریقے سے وہ ساری ڈیٹا اس میں آ گئی ہے. جو ڈیٹا ہم نے ڈالی تھی اس میں, اسی حساب سے continuing to our profile video. Today we will know how project object to do profile view. Suppose this the light fall, some light fall in the territory of our road. So you want to know, you want to project these light fall to our profile to know where this and which station and what is the elevation of these light fall. I have made from this, suppose this the cable connecting light pole, so I give name to this alignment, so light pole, and then I draw a profile for the, suppose this is the cable connecting all the lights pole from light pole 1 2 3 4. So we want to know on this profile, suppose this, because it's crossing our road, so we want to know how it will be look like inside our profile. So for the points to project on the profile, I will click on the profile and I will go to project object to profile view. Then it asking for the object to select to object that will project in the profile. So this my object number 1 2 3 and 4, and then right click from here, asking for the style. you can change from here style if you want to. And elevation, what is the object elevation? It will take from their level style. You can change the level style and click OK. Now you will see this object, light pole 1 with the elevation and station. It's project here in our profile. You can see it's up to here, so exactly where is the location, it's shown in the profile. The next thing, now I want to show this cable on my profile view, so I will know where this cable passing our design road. So then again I will click on my profile. I will go to add crossing to the profile view, and it asking for select object to add, so I will select this object and then right click. Now it's asking for the alignment and both the NGL and PGL. I don't need the NGL, so I will select the PGL connection road, this marker. Crossing style, for this I will select the standard and click OK. Elevation for the road elevation, I will select here and click OK. Now there will be again another label which is showing this station 151.75 and the source elevation is 663.631. If I check here, this station for my alignment is 150 here, this 100, so 155 almost the same, and the elevation is 663.631. So 663 point, if you can see here all the design value. The design value is 663, almost this 663. So this place is connecting. Suppose if sometime my location change, the design location change, suppose this move here, and also if it's move, you will see the objective, the label also will move with the according, and also if you move the light pole, suppose it's change here, automatically it will change with the place. It's dynamic with the for changing. If you can see here, suppose I change the alignment. If I change the alignment, you can see the label also change. If you move the uh, light pole, if you move light pole, suppose 1 minute I will move light pole. Now you can see here the light pole moving here, same like here it's moving, because the elevation I did not give elevation. So like this you can project object to your profile when you are working. So this is good for the existing utilities, like sometime some existing utilities passing our road, so for that it is better to know. So like this you can project object to your profile view. Continuing to our civil 3D class, today video is about how to incorporate several civil 3D design profile to a single profile. Now for that we must know this is our main alignment with the profile. This one is the design, and this is the natural ground, the natural surface here, this one. Then we created assembly with 4% slope, and here we created a corridor. For this corridor, suppose if our utilities line passing here, it can be anything. This line in this line. You can take any point. Suppose it's passing here, it's passing here, anywhere it's passing. So there are two methods. We will discuss both of them today. One is static and the other is dynamic. So the first one, you will create design from this feature line of the corridor. For that I will go to profile. I will create profile from corridor. For that one, the first thing I will select the right side edge of travel way. Suppose this is the edge of travel way, I will select this one and create corridor. I need the feature line of edge of travel way. From here it will create surface and I will select this one as a right side. I will write RT for the right side, and here the profile style I will select the right sample profile. The label I don't need any label, I will click OK. If you can see here, the right side of the section is down from this certain elevation. You can see it's minus 47 almost. Okay, now let's select the left side. The left side corridor I will select, and I will select edge of travel way, and I will here write LT left side. Select the different type of profile style, so we will know there in the profile. Click OK and click enter, and now you can see the left side must be up according to our assembly, because this is plus. Here we have plus slope and there minus, so this side is above the left side. If I hover over there, you can see this is the left profile, design profile from the corridor, and this one is the right side. So like this we can create a design profile from the corridor. Okay, what is the what the thing is which is not good here? Suppose if I change the design profile of the corridor will not change. So that's all. This is the method number one. I will go back from where I started. Okay. Okay. So the second method, how to create design profile which is dynamic. If I change the value, let's again repeat the same process. This only for practice, so it means it will not affect our. Okay, I will update my corridor. You can see from cross section also. Okay, I change the dimension. So the method number two is I will delete the old surfaces, so it will not create problem. Then I will create this. Okay, now let's discuss the second method. How we will create a dynamic design for this edge of travel way. First of all, I will create offset from the center alignment. So going to the alignment, create offset, select the alignment. For both the side I need one offset, and at any point you can take it. Suppose this edge of travel way is 11.8, so edge of, and this is a style of offset alignment with no label, and click OK. Okay, now as you can see, we have two elements on the right side and the left side. minus 11.8. Okay, I will create profile for these two, but before creating profile I will create tab surface for this corridor. So my alignment will create the same elevation from that tab surface. So I will click on the corridor, go to corridor surface, create link tabs icon. I will write tab corridor, and from here I will select tab length. I will this tab add, and here I will select boundary, right click, okay, apply, okay, and we have a new surface here now. Same you can see here, click tab of corridor. I don't need this in my corridor, so I will disappear this one. Okay, now let's create profile for this alignment. I will select the first alignment. I will go to surface profile, the top surface. This the main road alignment which already here the design. So I will create it. This the surface, the top surface of corridor. It will create another profile for this one. Create here. Okay. Now you can see for the right side my left travel way is here. Downside where the main alignment is here. This right side you can see here from the name of this camera. Okay, for the left side again I will create a surface profile. I will add top of some corridor. Next create here the left side. You can see the left side is above the design level which we already saw. So elevation I will select automatically here. Okay, now to incorporate these two on this one, I will select this profile. I will select superimpose profile, and this one the corridor top surface, and I will select the. From here, this you can limit your station range along the source alignment. From here, even check you can select the start and end point. Accuracy you can select, but we will let it as it is and apply and OK. Now you can see the one alignment appear here, right side is below. Again the same process. I will select the profile view, select superimpose profile, select the left side, then select the destination. Same process. Okay. Now you can see the left side is above, the right side below. From here you can change the style, the name, or you can right click anything. You can go to and here is properties, or right click and then go to style. You can change the style, but I will let it is so. If I delete, okay, so the best thing about this one, if I change this is the top one and this the bottom one. If I change the design, now you can see the profile of the left side and right side also change with it. So this is the dynamic method for how you can create utilities or your edge of travel way profile in the single 3D profile. This was the two method, so you can adjust according your design profile according to your utilities, and you can incorporate here how many profile you have. You can incorporate here.